Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some homemade marzipan. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1.5 cups of almond flour, sift in 1.5 cups of icing sugar, mix until well combined. Add in 2 teaspoons almond essence, 2 teaspoons rose water, and 1 egg white. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Place your shaggy dough onto a flat surface and knead a few times. Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge until you want to use it. This marzipan will keep to at least 1 month in the fridge and up to 6 months in the freezer. Use marzipan at room temperature. And today you've homemade marzipan. You can cover fruit cakes, I'll link that video, and a variety of other things. Enjoy!